Every time I come back in my office because I want to do something for one of my videos, or this is actually where I come in and edit my videos, it's in my office. It's like I'm losing it more and more. The less that I'm home, the more they take. Alright, so super excited. There was something that I ordered all the way back in April or May, I think it was, when I had my trainee Lopez in the truck with me. And if you don't know who I am talking about when I say Lopez, you are absolutely crazy, because so far he has been the loudest, most obnoxious, and one of the funnest trainees that I've had so far. Had the enjoyment of training up until this point. So if you haven't, I highly suggest you guys go check out my weekly vlog that is on this channel, LawfulGiraffe. I mean, if you're already at this point, you've already found my channel. And if you found my channel, you're crazy to have already started watching my vlog, obviously. But, alright, so as it was pointed out to me by Lopez, and of course myself, because who's your hardest critic but yourself, I have kind of let myself go as the years have gone on. I am a little bit chunky. Plus you will also see in one of my previous vlogs, previous Tuesday dump, look at it, I am starting to become a chunky monkey. Alright, already tracking this, and one of the biggest things when it comes to being out on the road is obviously health and wellness and taking care of yourself. So I have found something that I think that might have done the trick as far as the workout portion. I know there's many different ways to work out on the road, but I figured this is new. I'm gonna give it a try out. So let's go ahead and roll that intro and show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright, welcome back from the intro. Real quick, if you haven't already done so, I highly suggest that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button for my channel. If you find these Tuesday dumps or my weekly vlogs useful, please hit that subscribe button, help me out, and then hit that bell so that way you have notifications turned on whenever I post a new video, which is currently on Saturdays and Tuesdays. And then that way you guys don't miss out on the weekly videos. Greatly appreciated. And also, if you're big into Instagram, I highly suggest you guys check out my Instagram at LawfulGiraffe. Also on Twitter, though don't really do too much, but Instagram is a big thing. I encourage you to go check that out. Anyways, on to what I wanted to talk to you guys about this week. You've already seen it in the title. It's called the MaxPro Fitness. If you do not know what the MaxPro Fitness is, I don't blame you. It's just a relatively new company. Just kind of got out of Kickstarter, and now they have their machine for purchase. So real quick, I will show you, because I've officially got mine. MaxPro Fitness. Look at this. Ooh, ooh, fancy. Right, nice cool little box that they send to you in, as you can see, MaxPro Fitness. All right, yeah, figured we'd take a peek at it together, show you guys what we got, and then talk a little bit about what I'm going to do with this besides the obvious workout, right? Okay, so let me go ahead. I'm going to switch the angle of this camera real quick. Never done one of these, so you guys are gonna have to deal with it. But this is obviously the MaxPro Fitness Smart Connect. They come in two models. All right, this is the second one. As you can see, this little blue icon right here. This has to do with the Bluetooth capabilities. There's actually an app that you can download onto your phone. It's called MaxPro Fitness. You download the app and you can connect your phone to your device. If you want to get that one, which is the one that I got, they have one that's about $100 cheaper that comes without the Bluetooth capability, but it does everything else minus the Bluetooth, which is pretty cool. I don't know, this is the box. I don't know if people are really too much into seeing the box. I don't do one of these open things. So let's go ahead and open this up. And like I said, my wife's already been in this. So it's not like, oh my God, this is the first time we've opened up the box. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so obviously first thing that you see is the welcome to MaxPro Fitness. Pretty cool. Open this up, which again, like I said, has already been pre-opened by my wonderful wife. And there we go. Cool little sticker. MaxPro stick. Welcome, register, all that good stuff. Warnings, lifetime warranty. That's pretty badass. Stop, trouble, connects, concerns. Follow and tag us on Instagram for chances to be featured. So, the company is based out of Detroit, as you can see, which is pretty awesome. Instruction manual, all that good stuff, important. All the stuff that we'll go over later. Alright, now on to the actual piece of equipment. Oh, let's see. So, in this box, let's take a look-see. You have the MaxPro unit, you have the door mount brackets, door mount strap, workout handles, 3-piece long bar, ankle wrist straps, lithium battery, and then for connection, blah, blah, blah. That's what we got in the box, as you can, or as it is set on the outside of the box. So this is the MaxPro fit. Real quick, we'll go over some of the other stuff. So right now you have your ankle and wrist, all right, braces. This is actually a really nice material. I actually really like this. This is actually comfortable, or at least it feels comfortable, obviously. All right. You have the door mounts, brackets, which one of the things that I saw when I saw this was if this can mount on a door. I'm hoping in theory that I can actually mount this to the side of the trailer. And then this is the strap, 1 inch strap for the door mounts. This is definitely something we will be trying out with the trailer actually. This is the connector to charge the Bluetooth, as you can see. Cool. Ooh, I don't like this. This is nice. Alright, grips for the cables. I like the material that this is made out of. It actually feels really sturdy. Pretty strong. And then you got 2 obvious, you know, so cool. And then one of the things that came with the pre-ordering it sooner was the straight bar. As you guys can see, screws together like so, all the way tight, so that way you actually have a straight bar, which is definitely something that I'm big into using, especially when I am using like free weights or when I'm using like a cable machine. I'm big into having the bar, so definitely wanted that. That's why I was willing to pre-order early, because like I said, this was something that was offered for the pre-order. Alright, then we actually have the actual machine. I don't know if I'm supposed to move this up. I don't know. You guys can deal with the view. But this is the MaxPro. Ooh, fancy sponcy, right? That's why it folds out, folds in, folds out. It's about 10 pounds, a little less than 10 pounds. That's what it says, it's about less than 10 pounds. But it has cables, right? So it's like a portable cable machine, obviously. And then as you can see that it has this rotation device right here, which from what they said, and again, this was one of the things that was said when I wanted to purchase this, is this can give you resistance from 5 to 300 pounds of resistance. That is big, because say you wanted to take free weights out with you on the truck, you have to take that into consideration, obviously. If you're adding weight to the truck, that's something that you have to subtract, you know, all that jargon and crap when it comes to, you know, trucking. But this, it's 10 pounds, no change to the weight, it's just 10 pounds. And then with this simple system on the side, on both sides, I can change the resistance again from 5 pounds all the way up to resistance of 300 pounds. I don't know of any other machine currently on the market that you can actually do that with. So that's why I went with this. This is why I was willing to save up, make payments, and get this bad boy. All right, MaxPro Fitness. This is the workout machine. All right, pretty badass. I would highly encourage you guys to go ahead and YouTube it so you can kind of see what the hell I'm talking about, all that good stuff. Now, this isn't a sponsorship, no ambassadorship, no kind of perks or nothing like that. All right, completely paid for it out of pocket, my own money. Not cheap, but from what it promised that it can do, I think that it will be money well spent once I actually get into using it. And that's what I'm going to talk to you guys about next. Now that I have this machine, that I am officially going to start working out. I'm going to get myself back into shape. Yeah, because one of the big things with being out on the road is obviously being in shape. Make or break DOT physicals, because you got to do all that stuff when you're out on the road. So obviously, not being a 300 to 400 to 500 pound trucker that makes his truck move when he gets in and out of his truck. No offense if any of you happen to be like a 300 pound trucker that watches my videos, but you know as well as I know that ain't healthy. And so that's why I got this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing a, God, what do they do? Like the 90-day trial thing or whatnot, or 90-day progress program. I don't know what it's called. So essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a picture of myself that you guys will not see, but I will be taking a picture of myself this week before I start working it out. And then I'm going to take a picture of myself after 30 days, 60 days, and then 90 days. And then once I hit my 90-day mark, I will be checking back in with you guys on another Tuesday dump to show you the progress. Obviously, if you follow my vlog, you will most likely see the progress over the next few months to come. But my goal is to use the MaxPro Fitness every day that I am out on the road. All right, so that's 5 nights a week that I will be using this. And the cool thing is like I said, it has an app. So on this app, you can actually program. So the big thing is with this app, you can actually program and set up a schedule. They give you free workout examples. You can do your own thing. You can set your own intensity. It actually has a way for like health. All right, so you can check out, you can have like a calorie counter if that's your thing or whatnot, and all that good stuff. So everything is actually in this app that you can download with. Actually, I think you can download without the equipment. I'm not 100% sure, but you can download it, hook it up with your equipment, so then that way when you're working out, you can track your progress or keep track of your progress, and then yeah, to see where you're at. Obviously, set a goal and achieve that goal and all that good jazz. But like I said, I'm going to be using it for the next 90 days. It's not going to be going in any of my videos. I'm not going to be doing like workout videos or anything like that. That's not me. That's not what this channel is about. But like I said, after 90 days, you'll see the before and after to see where I am at in my progress with using this machine. And then after 90 days, we'll talk about whether I think it is worth the buy or not. Now, I'm not some physical therapist. I am not some fitness nuts. I don't have a degree in any of that stuff. I'm just an average person, just your average typical truck driver. And I feel, I don't know, if it works for me, why wouldn't it work for you guys, right? So after 90 days, if it works and I see results and you guys see results, then it could be something that I highly recommend for everybody. Obviously, after 90 days, we'll be right before winter, so whatever. But yeah, 90 days, we'll see where we're at. You'll see the progress, and then we'll go from there. That is this week's Tuesday dump, talking about the MaxPro Fitness and what I'm going to be doing as far as fitness program going forward. But yeah, that's it. That's all I got for you guys. I'll let you guys next week. Later.